This video will guide you through the process of replacing the crankshaft position sensor on the 2010 Dodge Avenger L4 2.4 liters. The crankshaft position sensor is located at the rear of the cylinder block near the transmission. Begin by removing the crankshaft position sensor. 1. Disconnect and isolate the negative battery cable. 2. Raise the vehicle and secure it with proper support. 3. Remove the heat shield retaining bolts. 4. Remove the heat shield. 5. Unlock and disconnect the electrical connector from the crankshaft position sensor. 6. Remove the crankshaft position sensor bolt. 7. Remove the crankshaft position sensor. Finish by installing a new crankshaft position sensor. 1. Check the O-ring for damage and replace if necessary. Lubricate the O-ring with engine oil before installing the sensor. 2. Use a twisting motion when installing the sensor. 3. Install the crankshaft position sensor and tighten the bolt to 79.5 inch-pounds. 4. Connect and lock the electrical connector to the crankshaft position sensor. 5. Install the heat shield and retaining bolts. 6. Lower the vehicle. 7. Connect the negative battery cable and tighten the nut to 45 inch-pounds. This concludes the procedure for replacing the crankshaft position sensor on the 2010 Dodge Avenger L4 2.4 liters. Thank you for watching.